Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse style decor. If you're new to my channel and like to be a part of the KK family, hit that notification and subscribe button. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is just cut these ribbons off, and I got these little signs at Dollar Tree. And once we cut it off, we are just going to paint them, and I am using white and black to make a gray because that matches the theme in my house, but you can paint it any color you like. Once we are done with that, we are just going to draw on our letters, and I do recommend stencils because it's a lot easier and your lines will be a lot straighter. So normally these signs can cost you anywhere from $30 to $70, and I'm going to insert some pictures here. Yeah, and we did this entire sign for less than $20. I believe I spent maybe $15 on everything. So once we are done with that, we are just going to take this ring and hot glue it to our sign. We're just going to take these plants that I actually got from Walmart for $2, and we're just going to place them all inside the ring to make the circle for the O. Now that we are done with that, we are just going to hot glue our sign together. We're just going to glue the two top pieces together and then put some extra glue on the back, and then we are going to take this little piece of board and hot glue that to the sign as well. You can use popsicle sticks if you like, if you can't find any of these, or Dollar Tree has those little paint sticks and you can use that as well, and it will secure the sign. And if you want, you can also paint the back of the sign, which I decided not to do because it's not going to be seen anyway, but if that type of thing bothers you, just paint the front and the back. So once we are done with that, we're just going to take this drill and make these holes at the top bigger so that we can stick this rope through it. And once you get the rope through, you want to just tie the back part and hot glue it down. And that's it. So guys, that wraps up this video. If you like this video, remember to give it a huge thumbs up. If there's anything you would like to see me make or paint, just leave a comment below and I will gladly do so. Until the next video.